today's fast-moving world and quickly changing lifestyle trends, outlooks and perspectives, monopoly is almost becoming a bookish term. Unless lifestyle or end users are offered with utmost precision as promised. That is, when quality of each product or brand is maintained. But how do we know that quality has been maintained in everything we use today, be it in our daily life, or be it luxury, or be it safety, or be it food and water that we intake every day? At Atharva Laboratories, this is what we ensure. That millions of consumers can keep their trust on our patrons and brands who are helping this world grow faster every day. Yes, we ensure that the trust is retained. Quality control is a highly responsible job, as depending on the results, the brands and companies are able to talk to their consumers with 100% confidence. Established in 2007, Atharva, as of today, houses 300 machines and 25 dedicated team members.
Atharva is one of the most diversified labs which is approved by NABL for ISO 17025 for all the 5 disciplines, which is electronic, electrical, mechanical, chemical and biological. It is also approved for ISO 17020 by ICAB for inspection of textile products and leather products. We at Atharva strongly believe in quality and feel the responsibility towards environment, people and our stakeholders. All my R&D and expansion plan has to be financially balanced, which is being handled by Mrs. Archana Kulkarni.
Finance is the bloodline for any business. Hence, we have structured corrective steps to make Atharva financially independent and cost effective. We work in a team to ensure trust amongst ourselves and customers. Our future plan is to make Atharva eco-friendly and paper-free lab. For all these financial plannings, we need to take permission from our Managing Director, that is Mrs. Arundhati Parvatikar.
Atharva Laboratories is a woman enterprise founded in the year 2007 with handful of technocrats. We sense the gap in the service level of large players. We filled it by giving the consultancy in addition to our testing. Every endeavor cannot be taken ahead without the right planning, foundation and vision. The vision that set for the Atharva by the founder, Mr. V.B. Parvatikar.
Our major intention to start the laboratory was to care about the consumers and for a better lifestyle. Brands and non-brands, there are a lot of companies who take help of our laboratory for assessment of quality evaluation, quality and their core products. Now our strong vision and mission is to empower, enthuse and enable the best practices to become the most trustworthy and natural choice and leader in the coming times.
Our vision. We will empower, enthuse and enable pure and perfect practices in order to be the leading and most trustworthy testing pioneer. Our mission: to inculcate the greatest sense of responsibility, be honest to every test, adhering to norms, values, morals and environment, while upholding the highest levels of quality that matter to human lives.
Navathlal Industries is India's one of the largest textile company. It's very important to have an external testing agency to test and certify our product for supplying to the institutions. So in the last 3 years we are associated with Atharva Laboratories, and they were excellent in giving the results and the service, and they have helped us in developing and maintaining and certifying many of the results what we required, and their job is highly appreciated.
In 2009, Atharva was awarded the prestigious ISO 17025 by the National Accreditation Board for Laboratories.
Yeah, we at Feda Synthetics have been molding polyurethane products for over 30 years now, when India was not very familiar with polyurethane. and testing of products and standardization of the same was always a difficult task. And the big testing companies have always had a kind of impersonal approach to a small SME going for tests. Atharva Labs has been very good for us, and it's a perfect fit because the promoters are well versed with polyurethane. They are helping the industry move towards the standardization. They have the facilities to get tests done at a reasonable cost and with good service and support.
As of today, Atharva has been approved by the Indian Air Force, Indian Navy, DGS&D, RITES, RCF Kapurthala, etc.
The Indian automotive industry has seen great transformation right from the basic four-wheeler car to luxury cars on the road that we see today. It is very important that to live up to the expectation of consumers, to meet their expectations in quality. In the last few years, I got opportunity to get services from Atharva in the domain of electronics, which are accurate, unbiased, and value for money to meet the end customer requirements.
Atharva has also been approved by ACCAB for ISO 17020 for inspection, DSIR for research and development activities, and Messrs Intertech and Messrs Biomeo Lab, Hungary, encompassing testing related to CE marking of safety shoes and gloves.
Bata is one of the largest footwear manufacturers in the world, and we are #1 footwear brand in the country. And we are retaining this position last so many years due to quality and design. Atharva is associated with Bata from last 5-6 years. Not only the finished goods, they are also controlling the raw material with us, and they are suggesting the kind of specification and kind of advanced technology is coming in the footwear. And we look forward their contribution toward quality, and they are help a lot to maintain our quality parameters.
We at Covestro have major presence in automotive and footwear industry with ISO 14000 accreditation. In order to meet our quality commitments with OEMs, we need to be associated with accredited and reputed third-party laboratory. Here, Atharva Labs fit into our requirement in respect of giving us the prompt reports and services always for almost 3 years now.
We are manufacturer for international premium brands such as Reebok, Adidas and Puma. These brands pay a huge premium on quality and reliability of a product. In turn, we depend on our partners Atharva Lab to ensure our commitment to quality and reliability of product is met. And also Atharva Lab helps us in developing new technologies of materials and processes. So Atharva Lab is a great partner in our progress.
We at Mirza International here produce leather footwear, and we supply and export leather footwear to Europe, UK and USA, and we take services from Atharva Laboratories here for some chemical testings, and we are associated with them for last couple of years, and we have found their services very satisfactory to the international standards. It definitely satisfies the client, the international client.
Atharva has been able to achieve all these only through hard work, diligence, perfection and precision in delivering results on time with flawless excellence. Every department is well equipped with updated and modern machinery, appropriate and approved following today's latest norms and practices. Not to forget, outperforming expectations of each demand via each test is the motto at Atharva Laboratories.